So today is one of those days when I upload not just one but two videos. So we have some goodies from Bangalore, actually 2 bags of it. All these goodies are for the Shogun, so we'll do the unboxing. Alright, so let's take things out of the first bag. Mirrors for the Shogun, but let's see. Okay, these are not OE Shogun mirrors, these are like KB100 mirrors, but they are also in short supply, so I got them. Looks slightly different. So anyways, we have placed an order for OE Shogun mirrors, and as and when we get them I'll replace these, but for the time being these might go on the bike. If any of my viewers has any leads, please feel free to let me know. So this is the wiring harness. This is manufactured by Swiss. It's actually a pretty decent quality wiring harness, but I'll do a video on how to wrap it so that this stays little longer. And we have a bag full of stuff. We'll go into that. Let's see if there is anything. Oh yeah, so these are OE mud flaps. Again, these are pretty rare. These ones are made of plastic. So let's see if there is anything else. No, that's it. Alright, so let's dig into this box, but first let me put these things back. Okay. I wish I had a tripod now, because this is kind of getting a little difficult. Okay, so what we have here is the shock absorber boot, and we have a whole lot of rubber items. Oops, I just dropped one down. Okay, what I'm glad about is these kind of cable ties are not available anymore, so this was a great find that would give a bit more originality. These are bore rubbers. This is for some cable. This is the kicker rubber. You can identify some. These go into the grab rail. This is the 2T oil lid. This is the engine oil lid. So yeah, this is the silencer rubber. These are for the where the locks for the side panels go. A lot of these. These are for the meters. These goes into the meters. This is the chain cover inspection window. Okay, these are special ones. These go on the tank, and this is where the side panels lock onto the tank. So it's a great thing that we got these rubbers. This is the fuel strainer, or is this the 2T strainer? I'm not sure. So this I have to check. I've never seen this in fact before. It's a shame this is my second restoration and I have not seen this. Okay, these go onto the fork stays, or what we call the ears, fork ears. So this is for those. We should have 4 of these. Yeah, 4 of these, 2 each. Awesome. So let me just put all of these back, and then we will dig into the next bag. this is a bag full of rubbers. What is this? This is the seat rubbers. Okay, nice. We definitely need those. Then this is a Yamaha Go rubber, which can be used in a Shogun as well. Then these are for the tank, these two and these two, and then there is this one. Yes, these are for the tank. This is the battery band. Again, this is pretty rare. I might not use this one. This is for the airbox. I don't know what this is. Okay, yeah, I know what this is. This goes onto the swing arm. The chain goes over this. So again, these kind of rubbers usually mechanics won't put. Even if you give them, they won't put this. This is the thing that is put in the rear wheel. This drives the rear wheel. Okay, this is nice. Oil tube set. If we want our pump to be working, most likely I won't. Again, another set of bore rubbers, Yamaha. What are these? These are footrests. Okay, so that's a big set of things. These were procured from Bangalore at a very reasonable cost. So let's put these down. Okay, what do we have in this bag? This bag, we have a packing kit. Then what is this? This is the accelerator cable. This is the clutch cable. Whole tail light assembly. We'll open this and check out how it looks like. That is definitely nice. One thing I forgot was to get a new headlight dome from there, which was a pretty bad idea. Okay, all the jets, pilot, main, then the needle valve. So remember, there is another Shogun that has a leaky carburetor, so this one of this is going to go in that. An extra tail lamp cover for good measure. What is this? This is the choke cable. What else do we have in this? Okay, these are rear footrest, nothing special, so I'm not going to open that. I also got two set of clutch plates because I have two Shoguns. This is for good measure. Right now the clutch plates don't look bad on the Shogun that I bought, but you know, while I take apart the engine side cover, I'll definitely check how the quality is. SKF is pretty good. This is one of the OE manufacturers. Okay, so I have saved the best for the last. Finally, I got the elusive visor glass. It has pre-drilled holes, so I'll match up with my OE visor and then see if the holes line up. Otherwise, we'll have to drill a new set of holes. So let's see if there is anything else. Nope, that's it. So this was a pretty big bag. We got almost everything that we needed. Let me show you the fishes while we talk, so that you don't have to look at my face or the breakfast counter. So other things that we need as of now are the front shocks from an Apache, the caliper, the master cylinder. We need both side yokes. We need a clutch lever. Then we need a tail panel, which I'm yet to procure. So with the tail panel, I think that would complete all the things that we need. Then of course, yeah, I need two rims, front as well as back, but one of my friend who came home had a look at the bike. He suggested that it could just be some dirt, and see if we can reclaim the original rims rather than going for the new ones, because those rims have gone really expensive from the days that I used to buy them. Now they are 750 rupees each, so we might not go for those. Yeah, I need two indicators, I need a rear mudguard, and other than that we need to take apart the tachometer and see why it's not working, service it, fix it. We have to also take out the speedometer and check out all the lights in the Christmas tree needs to be replaced and checked. So we have pretty awesome days ahead. So stay tuned, we'll have a lot of new content coming in. Feel free to reach out to me. Please subscribe if you like the content, share with your friends who have similar interests, and keep watching. Thank you.